We have pretty good competition between the offense and defense.
Defense rules. I mean, offense, they just show up to, give us something to do.
Talk smack to each other to get each other pumped up.
Oh, defense is, of course, better.
Defense really doesn't stand a chance to offense whenever you go in practice. I mean,
the best thing about defense is the intensity, man. We always go out there and we always play hard, and we get to hit people, You fear us.
We're knocking them on the ground. They're running for their moms.
You can't even hear them hit. It's like,
they don't usually talk too much smack to me because they know that I'll answer, me and the O-line.
Man, we'd be like, oh, man, y'all ain't nothing, man. But that's why your mama, man, she looks like a cow.
Pretty much making up whatever they can make up to try to make you mad and do worse.
You're so slow, man. You can't even throw the ball.
I'll hear them and I'll just be like, all right, just watch. I'm coming for you.
I'll sit down in a chair and you won't even get past me.
That's how we do it. We talk trash to motivate the other one to work harder to prove you wrong.
We talk smack to each other, but like in school, we're always hugging each other, playing around with each other. Offense and defense, we're always together.